Welcome to another video. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail, then insert it through the gap of the upper part. Repeat the same process of inserting the ponytail inside the upper part gap. Then repeat the same process again. It should be 3 times. Then divide the lower hair into 3 parts and then into 2 parts to make the pigtails out of them. When you are done making the pigtails, crisscross it and then decorate it with the help of a bobby pin. Take your hair, tie it in the form of half ponytail and then make pigtails out of that ponytail. Then take one part of the hair, crisscross it and repeat the same process of making pigtail. Then take one end of the hair from the side and the other from the middle and then make pigtails again with that part. Repeat the same process and then secure it with the help of a rubber band. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail, then divide the lower part into 2 parts and then insert it through the gap and pass it through the upper part. Repeat the same process again in 3 consecutive times and in line. Take the rest over part of the hair and do the same process. Then with the leftover hair, you can also repeat it once more. Then make pigtails, roll it in the form of a snail and then secure it tightly with the help of a rubber band. Take one part of the hair and make pigtails, then take it in the middle and then keep inserting it small sections of hair inside. Then take one end of the hair and keep tying it in the form of a ponytail. Take your hair and tie it in the form of a half ponytail into a knot. Then when you are done tying the knot, take one end of the hair and keep inserting it inside the pigtail and forming it like a plaited parts. Then repeat the same process of tying plaits with the other end of the hair as well, just like this. See, it gives you a mesh-like structure just like a spider web, and then you can decorate it. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail from the side. Repeat the same process of tying the half ponytail from the other side as well. Then keep tying it in the form of a ponytail. Divide the ponytail into 2 equal halves and then insert it inside the gap of one half as well. Then make it in the form of a rubber band or a ribbon. Then repeat the same process again. Then insert it through the gap just like this and then make it look like a ribbon. The same process of then inserting it through the gap and then making it look like a ponytail. Then insert both of them together, divide it and do the same process of tying it like a ponytail. Just do the same process consistently. Now roll it upwards and then secure it tightly with the help of a bobby pin. Thank you for watching.